Hi, I'm Damien from the horticulture team at Yardstick Landscapes, and today we're going to be talking about mulches. Today we're using Jeffries Forest Mulch. It's a fantastic mulch because it's got a lot of organic matter in it, and what that does is once spread through the garden beds, it helps condition the soil. One important thing to really remember when spreading mulch is to wear the correct PPE. Make sure you're wearing a mask that's suited for mulch, gloves and glasses. When you're finished, always wash up. Make sure you wash all your hands and arms, even jump in the shower. One of the important things we need to consider when mulching is to keep the mulch away from the base of the plant. When the mulch comes in contact and gets built up around the base, it tends to rot away. So we really need to just create a little well around it, and this allows the water to penetrate down into that root system. We generally spread the mulch between 5 and 7 centimetres. However, this does depend on the type of mulch being used. One important thing to remember is to dish the mulch away from the stems and crowns of plants. One last thing we want to do when we're finished mulching is to water all the mulch in. This will stop the dust from getting up into the air because we don't want to be breathing in any of that dust.